Hey guys, I'm here with the makeup tutorial with Jazz Lark, so let's get started. So what I like to use just to keep my skin moist is the CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream by Sunday Riley and the Pixie Skin Treats H2O Hydration Gel. I really love this. I got both of these from my Ipsy bags and I love it. Love it, love it, love it. And for my brows, she's going to use the Revlon eyebrow pencil. I really recommend this pencil because it gives it a real natural look. It doesn't give that solid pencil look, you know. And I got this from the CVS. You can get it from any local beauty supply store. And now she's just about to clean them up, make them look real nice and neat. She forgot to show what she used, but you can use any concealer that you have. And you guys, I will be having a review on this Ipsy box. There was more in here, but I'm using some of the products in this video, so yeah, stay tuned for that. For my eyeshadow, she's going to be using Morphe. The color tone is Blogger. I really like it. It's very neutral. It's more like a brown color, but yeah. She ordered these off of, I want to say, Too Faced Cosmetics. Also using the Moonstruck Addiction Shadow Palette. So yeah, for my lid, she used the Morphe, and for my crease, she's using the Moonstruck Addiction Palette. For my foundation, she used the Maybelline Fit Me number 335. And she also used her foundation brush to apply the foundation. And now we are getting to the good part, my favorite part, highlight and contour. For the highlight, she's using the banana setting powder, which is my favorite. I've been looking for this powder for the longest. Well, I ain't gonna say I've been looking. I've been wanting it for the longest, and I finally received it. I actually got it from my Ipsy box, which will be in my next review video. So again, make sure you guys stay tuned for that, and make sure you subscribe my channel, okay? Yes, do y'all see the highlights? Yes, ma'am, that's it. There it go. And now I'm just applying some lip gloss. Getting all that. So that concludes our first makeup tutorial with my twin sister. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.